What's a nice revolver cowboy style blaster? Maybe is it time for the Ultra 2, the Nerf Ultra 2 to find its place? Well, let's find out. Hey guys, this is Chester here. You guys are watching our channel right here at Chester and Unboxing. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Nerf Ultra 2. Yes, it's been on the market for a while, I know, but I got this at a super good deal, like almost a very good deal. So I'm not going to tell you how much, but because price varies from region to region. But because of the very good deal, I was able to buy this. So without further ado, let's just go through what's so good about this blaster. So first of all, this is in the Ultra line. So the Ultra line of Nerf blasters are basically another category separate from the Elite and the Mega. They use this thing called the Ultra Darts, although they are very controversial. I'll leave that up to you. Put in the comment section whether you like the Ultra Darts or not, but I'll tell you more about it later. So basically things about the Ultra 2 is that this is a 6-shot motorized flywheel based blaster, which means that you actually need to put in AA batteries for it to work. AA's, yeah, so it's electronically fired, so it will not work, for example, on a spring base. So for example, the Ultra 4 they have reviewed, you can check that video up here. The Ultra 4 is a spring based, so this is on the other side of the coin where it is motorized. But something unique about this is it uses 6 AA's compared to your regular Nerf Elite, which uses 4. That actually explains why the Nerf Ultra 2 hits further than your regular Elite. Okay, so without further ado, take a look at the box. Okay, we have the promotional item, and it's a bit of gold. It has gold accents because it's Ultra, right? So it's Ultra and they want to make it gold. So that's premium. Yeah, whatever. So we have 6 darts, and showing here is a example of a dart. So something that really irks me is that I don't think it's very expensive to mass produce this. Alright, and come on man, include 6 and have one more bonus lah, come on. But no, this had to be part of the 6, which means that if you lose one of your dart, you're screwed. Yeah, so good luck for that. I already lost one dart in the Nerf Ultra 4, so Anyway, taking a look at the other sides of the box, we have the demo here. Your dart flying 120 feet, 36 meters. Yeah, that's nonsense. You can only achieve 36 meters when you angle high enough and there's a very strong wind blowing with your direction. And thirdly, most importantly, you need to pray. Then it will hit that 36 meters. Okay. And it's a pretty thick box. I like thick boxes. Okay, so let's open this up. We are done with the unboxing of it. Okay, video's over. Bye. See you next time. No, I'm just kidding. Don't move, please. Okay, so down to the blaster itself. Immediately in first impressions, this is a bit thicker than the Ultra 4. So just a very quick side-by-side comparison. Stay there. So the Ultra 4 is actually a very thin blaster, as you can see. Like it's really very thin. So anything that is a bit, like you can see the difference, is actually quite a bit thicker because they have to accommodate for the cylinder, which I'm going to explain in a short time. Okay, so stay there. Alright, good one. This is the Ultra 2. So as you can see, because I mentioned this is a motorized blaster, so this is your rev trigger, your rev trigger. So you basically hold this, turn the flywheel. So motorized means flywheel, so there are 2 circle things that is moving fast. So the dart will go through fast in English. Okay, so after you hold it so that the motor will rev up, then you fire. You heard that? Yeah. So each time you press the trigger, the cylinder will move, see? Yeah. So I'm actually surprised that I could do this without no darts or batteries, but yeah. Let's take a look at the exterior of it first. So you have your standard Nerf Ultra 2, the Ultra logo in gold. Hey, come on, who doesn't love gold, right? Come on, man, it's a bit tacky. But what I do not like, is one side gold, nice. On the other side, hey, is it really very hard is it really very expensive? I can pay 20 cents, okay? Just put on the gold paint. But whatever lah. You don't get what you wish for. Down to the front of the blaster, we have no end strike muzzle attachment because this is an ultra blaster. The darts are different, so you cannot fit even if you could want to. On the rear, there is no stock attachment. This is a pistol that you are not supposed to. Yeah, this is a pistol where you're supposed to like that, like a cowboy. I'm actually surprised I could do that. There are rails, so there is a top rail here and there is a bottom rail here. So about two of them, about equally length. So you could fit, like for example, the Ultra 4. I've actually outfitted a Picatinny rail. So I put a Nerf. I put a laser pointer. Yeah, I don't want to shine directly at the camera because I still want my lens for tomorrow, okay? There's the jam door right here. So over here you can actually see the flywheels. Alright, so in case you get a dart jam, which I suspect might be an issue because of the turning mechanism, you can actually put your finger inside here and clear out any jams if you have. Alright, so to load it up, so basically this is a front. This is a rear, correct. This is a rear loading blaster, which is very unique because all the previous blasters last time, like the Strong Arm, the Disruptor, are all front loaded. Front loaded meaning you put the darts like that. Yeah, but rear loaded is very cool. So it's like the thing is in your holster, right? So you're one hand holding, and then you're literally, you're just chucking it in. Yeah, like that. Although I gotta confess, this is actually my first time loading. As you can see, they are all loaded. So I believe with a couple of experimentation and practice, you'll be able to do it pretty quickly. So I think it's pretty cool to have this effect lah. Okay, so basically once you put the batteries in, and then you are ready to fire. So I'm not sure if you can. The thing is there is no battery, right? So it will not spin. But I'm not sure if you'll jam it if I try. So. Nope. Yeah, so there is actually a safety built into it that will physically prevent you from firing it. Let's check out the dimensions of this blaster. Okay, by the way, this is a quick guide slash attention slash let's check out the dimensions of it. So the length, it is about 33 cm or 13 inches. Okay, the height, it is about 20 cm or about 8 inches, and the depth, so as I mentioned, it's a bit thick. So the total depth, it is about 6.5 cm, which is about 2.5 inches thick. Okay, so all in all, I feel initial impressions are not bad. So let's get this puppy loaded with batteries, and we'll see you at the firing angle. So here is the firing demo. So as mentioned, put the batteries in, load in your darts, and remember step 1 is rev trigger first. Then while holding the rev trigger, then you press the trigger. So it takes a bit of getting used to if you are new to the motorized market. So here we go. 6 darts, here we go. Alright, so that was the firing demo of the Nerf Ultra 2. So my thoughts about it is, firstly, it really feels premium. Alright, so you're paying actually quite a premium for that Ultra branding, which I personally don't really like because I'm not a fan of using different darts. When we're out there playing games, we want to use a standard style of darts so that we can actually use or scavenge enemy darts out in the field. So whatever lah. At least let's just pray that Ultra becomes let's just pray that enough people will buy Ultra darts, Ultra blasters enough so that it becomes a economic viable solution out in the battlefield. Okay, on the other hand, firing itself, I like the trigger, it's very satisfying. Okay, in terms of the grip, it's not bad. I mean, it works well. I'm an adult, but not really have adult hands. It's a bit on the smaller side, but as you can see, it fits my hand pretty well, so it's good. Okay, trigger is smooth, it's nice, alright. But the sound, the rev sound, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel that the motors, it sounds like they are not very aligned together, so they are like grinding against something. So it's a very gritty sound to it, but that's just my subjective opinion. Okay, but all in all, I'll give this a very solid thumbs up for a blaster like this, although a thumbs down for the unconventional darts. Super thumbs down for the stupid lack of gold. Are you looking at this? Like on the other hand, this is nice, and this is like, please, y'all can do better than this. Please make the same. So at least if I'm shooting like that, or if I'm shooting like that, I can look nice. Okay. So that sums up our unboxing and first look at the Nerf Ultra 2. Like this video if you liked it. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. I'm Chester. That's all for today. See you guys.